And here we have another interesting free plugins by Speiser. Speiser give out this powerful dynamic compressor for free, and it is called the Compressor. And according to what they said on the official website, you don't need to guess anything you're doing with this compressor. It automatically analyzes the audio, give you the best suggestion and all that based on your settings. So guys, let's quickly check it out and see for ourselves. And here we have it. As you can see, over here is the input and here is the output, and right on top is the threshold mark. Here you can see the view length. This is for the display to determine the length of audio waveform that will display here. Below is the peak catcher, and the next is the makeup gain and the match. Below here is the parallel to blend the dry and the processed sound. This is the sidechain. Below here is the reset, the ADSR of the compressor, attack, release, knee, and ratio. And there is this interesting feature that I like, which is the sync attack and sync release. So you don't need to stress yourself about setting the attack and release time. Set it to the BPM of the track you're working on and it will do its magic. And finally, this magic knob, when you engage it, takes you to an advanced menu where you will see 3 different features. As you can see, it says, should I level your input signal? So if you want it to level it, you tell the level you want it. As you can see, it has -6 dB and -12 dB. Below they said what type of signal is your input signal. So if you're working on a group, let's say drums, you indicate that, synth or key, bass, guitar, percussions, as you can see. Then the last, you need to pick the compression style. They have the gentle, moderate, aggressive, punchy, and brick wall. So let's quickly have a listen. And that's pretty much about this plugin. I would suggest you try it out and let us know what you think in the comment section. The link will be in the description. And that will be it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please do leave a like and share your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe and remember to turn on your notification bell so that when next I upload videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.